guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am back again with another video. That's Amara in the background saying hi kids. But anyways, you guys have been asking what I've been up to for the past 2 months, so here it is. For the past 2 months, I've been homeschooling. So because of this whole pandemic and everything like that, we have been homeschooling more. So not every day, Monday to Friday for 3 hours. That's from 9:30 to 12:30 every day. Well, most of the days we try to work in that. So yeah, I've been homeschooling. I've been job hunting because your girl has been out of a job, and that's stressful. It's stressful, like not being able to have your own, like, girl, those struggles. But anyways, I'm going to be talking about like the challenges that I've faced during this pandemic in another video, so you can stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I've been job hunting, so keeping my fingers crossed that I'll be able to get something, you know, permanent that I can work with. And other from that, I've been working on my businesses. Kaylee's Events, which is an event decor business. I do mainly children's party, but not only that, I do all other type of things. I'm going to insert some photos here. I've been doing some photo shoots and a little bit of planning here and there, but you know, because of the whole corona thing, nobody's really having any parties, so that's kind of slow. But what I've been doing is I've been posting photos still on my Instagram, you know, still managing my social media. I've been working on my packages, creating different packages, updating the packages that I already had, you know, just basically doing stuff like that. Still reaching out to persons, still doing little things here and there. And I've also been doing another business venture which is focused on social media management. So if most of you know, you've watched my graduation vlog and all of that, which is going to be linked in the cards somewhere up here. I did my major in marketing. So what I decided to do is to basically offer social media management to small business owners and medium-sized businesses. So I've been doing that. I'm going to leave the link to my Instagram for that, so you can check it out. If you're interested, DM me. But yeah, I've been doing that. I've been getting a lot of queries and stuff like that. And so I've been doing a lot of strategic calls, and it's kind of fun. It's picking up and I'm enjoying it. So hopefully one day I'll be able to do that full time. But as for right now, can't pay the bills. So but anyways, I'm working on that and stuff like that. So that's one of the things that I've been working on. So that's homeschool, that's job hunting, plus my businesses. Another thing that I've been working on is my personal state of mind. Yeah, I've just been snapping. I don't know. I've just been relaxing. I've been reading some books. What I'm currently reading now is Man, Are You a Wimp by Franklin White. So this is it. This is what I'm reading now. That's fluffy. So I've been reading. What this book is about is basically how we treat Jamaican men and how they're undermined and everything like that. And because I have a son, you know, I've been reading this, and some of the things like are kind of hard to swallow, but I don't know, I don't want my son to be a wimp, And what it means by WIMP is Women Indoctrinated Male Personality. So basically it's just, you know, the woman them run things and blah blah blah, stuff like that. But anyway, it's a good little read. But yeah, that's what I've been reading. Yeah, that's just basically what I've been up to for the however long I've been gone. So I haven't been, I said I was going to exercise, like I took them pictures, girl, and say yes, I'm ready for the summer. Somebody had to sign up. And all I did was take the pictures, like because I said I was going to like before and after and stuff like that. Well, you can see the pictures. I'm going to insert the pictures of what I said I was going to do, what exercise and the befores and blah blah blah. There ain't no after pictures because I didn't do nothing. Like, I did not do anything. So, but I mean, every time I say I'm going to exercise and it just never happens. But probably one day, sometime in the future, I don't know, it can happen. Yeah, but right now it just not happen, and I just don't stress myself over it. You know? But yeah. And I also said I was gonna work on taking care of my hair and blah blah blah. But actually I've been taking care of my hair a little bit better. You know, I have an entire patch of aloe vera outside. And I've been using it in my hair every time I wash it. I don't always remember to oil my hair, but I'm trying to be mindful to oil it because I have dry scalp or dandruff or whatever you call it. So yeah, I've been trying washing my hair more often. But yeah, I'm going to be working on it. I'm going to be working on it, and also my face, because you know, the other day I had a lot of what you call it, I don't remember, blemishes, whatever, I still have them. And I've been using aloe vera on my face. But the thing is, I'm not consistent. So, yeah, right now I'm obviously big old pimple on my forehead. Can you see it? I'm sure you can see it. But, I don't know. I'm a work in progress. So, but yeah, that's what I've been up to. Nothing special. I have not been traveling, guys. No vacationing. Anyways, that's it. I'm done. Bye, kids. Oh, if you liked today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you have been doing. Are you following me on Instagram? Follow me on Instagram. Islands Mommy JA. It's gonna be linked down in the description. So stay tuned for the video coming up tomorrow. Bye, kids.